This is the most common vectors TYS question for all Sec 4 E-Math students, and you must know how to present your answers correctly in order to obtain the 3 marks every single time. And in this video, I want to give you my framework to always getting that 3 marks even if the question numbers change. So over here, whenever we have two vectors that are parallel to each other, right? In order to prove that they are parallel to each other, you just need to remember this one thing. If they are parallel, the vectors can be expressed as a multiple of each other. And what I mean is like that, right? If I have two vectors that are parallel to each other, so for example, this vector and this vector, the only difference is their length, right? Ultimately, they are still pointing in the same direction. Therefore, the only difference is their length, and therefore they can be expressed as a multiple of each other. So how do we tackle these type of questions? Step one is we must always link them with a constant k first. So over here, what I'll do is that I will let 1, 2 equals to k times 3, 6, right? So the first step is actually us assuming that they are parallel. So first step is to always assume that they are parallel to begin with first. Then after that, I will solve for k. So I'll times k into the bracket. Here I get 3k, here I get 6k. Right? And then from here, I'll form two simultaneous equations. So 1 equals to 3k and 2 equals to 6k. And then from here, I'll solve for k. So k equals to 1 over 3. And over here, k equals to 2 over 6, which reduces to 1 over 3 as well. And as you can see over here clearly that both values of k are the same. And therefore, we can say with confidence that since 1, 2 equals to 1/3 times 3, 6, right? Where k is a scalar multiple, right? Since we are able to write it in this way, whereby we relate both of them to each other using a scalar multiple, therefore 1, 2, right? The vector 1, 2 is parallel to 3, 6, and this is how we show that they are parallel to each other. Just follow this simple framework of always presenting an answer this way, and I promise you, you will always obtain those 3 marks, which are very, very crucial in the exam. And if you would like more proven frameworks, proven ways of answering, and make sure that math makes sense to you, then make sure to check out the first video that I pinned on this page over here. Check out my pin post for this ultimate resource that I've been building over the past 3 years, and I'm still adding more resources into it today. So for more information, check out my pin post over there, and I look forward to seeing you over there.